Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solution Provider, a complete course on Catia. In this video, we will understand what is solid combine command under the part design workbench. To use the solid combine command, we require two closed sketch on the perpendicular plane. And the solid combine command will add material normal to the sketch and the result will come which will the common portion of two solid components. So let's start. We will make one sketch on the front plane. Make sure the sketch have one entity and the sketch should be closed. You can constrain your figure, exit. Now on the top plane, we will make one circle on the center. Now exit. And you can select the solid combine command from the insert menu under the sketch based features and solid combine, and you can use the sketch based features toolbar and this is solid combine command. Select the sketch one by one, first sketch and second sketch. Now you may see that the top plane circle get adding material in the upward direction and the downward direction, taking the extremity with respect to this front plane. And the same manner, the front plane C-shaped symbol getting adding material with respect to this circle. Preview and okay. A common portion of both the sketch we are here. Like if we change anything in the front sketch, like make this trim this and also trim this portion, and let's make one curve here. Okay. Previously the front and the top portion was flat, now we will get a curved surface. So this is all about the solid combine command. In the next video we will take one example and we will create knuckle joint using this solid combine command. The next command under this solid combine drop box is stiffener. The stiffener is a command which is used to give support at a corner points, like, and in the stiffener command we need to make one open sketch. First I am making one solid component to use the stiffener command, and I created a open sketch. Just to revise you, under the pad command we can use the open sketch with the thick option, and we will add material via mirror extend. Preview. Okay, now in this we have two corners, one corner and two corners. So if you need to give supports, like in the wooden works we need to give supports, so I will give support on the front plane. Like if I work on the front, let's see the front plane lying where in this sketch, on the center point. Okay, I can take, I will make this sketch and I will make one open sketch, a stiffener like this, and you can constrain this to the joining points, coincidence and this line coincidence. If you want to give the dimension, you can just give dimension, it's like 35. Okay, exit. Simply select the stiffener command, sketch is selected, and from the side we want to give thickness to the side, and it will already make the corner sketch under this command. So preview, if you just increase the thickness first, preview. Okay, in this way you can give support to the corner joints by using the stiffener command. So this is all about stiffener and solid combine command. In the next video we will take one example on solid combine and we will create a forehand of knuckle joint. This is the forehand, and we will create this solid component by using solid combine command, and then we will learn what is multi-section solid command and multi-section material removal command. So before going this command, we will learn how to create a custom plane apart from these 3 universal planes. So we will switch to wireframe and surface design, and we will learn how to create a planes. Then we will understand these 2 commands. So this is end for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any query, you can drop your questions under the comment section, and you can reach me by using my mail ID under description. Thank you very much for watching my video.